Hello, country people. It seems election discussion dominates the news these days. Definitely, because we have reached another time of make or meh. But before we talk about that, you people should remember security is the first thing. Insecurity is a major problem for Nigeria. As you can see, many people are now alert, even in the church. God saves, but some people say you got to be wise as serpent and harmless like a dove. Okay now, while many are holding the holy book these days, on one hand, some too are wielding a weapon in the other hand to place of worship for self-defense. They say the dead don't worship God, only the living do. This is what I hear them say. The other day I saw Catholic priest and sister also holding guns. Many are learning to shoot because of the situation we find ourselves in Nigeria. What do you think? Add your comment on the comment section of this channel. Okay, let's go to political news today. Fitness challenge. That is Atiku getting ready to take care of the country fitness-wise. Atiku's camp is inviting Tinubu to come and start with fitness first. Mekona allow Tinubu fit carry handle first before I go to talk fitness challenge. Make somebody no shit for in trouser this time around. The other time, he didn't carry anything, but he wee. Trouble they sleep, younger go wake up. Make we know here say somebody buy onto fitness. We heard that over 42 million Igbo traders and their apprentices have registered for PVC in Southeast and Lagos State in last 1 week. Ogini Neme, go and verify first. Igbo Youth Conscience Group said so. This time around, we don't even know how many cattle go follow vote, plus underage voters 2 to 10 years of age inside northern Nigeria. Everybody is getting ready. Have you gotten your PVC? In rounding off, there are 4 most popular presidential candidates in Nigeria: Peter Obi, Labour Party; Bola Ahmed Tinubu, APC; Atiku Abubakar, PDP; Rabiu Kwankwaso, NNPP. They say you have the right to choose and support one of them, but please don't fight anyone because of one of them. Don't hate your friends or relatives because of one of them. Don't create enemies because of one of them. You see these 4 gentlemen, if them be gentlemen, they are political friends and some are business associates. They don't fight or insult each other because of you. They only have interest in your support. They eat and dine together on the same table. Politics is about interest, not madness. Nobody kind of way we see inside Nigeria where Tinubu boys got to stop Igbos from not voting. Places like Okota, Agor Palace, Lagos. Last year it happened. This time around, they stop people from registering PVC. Anyway, viewers, what do you think about our short stories today? Add your comment on the comment section. I'm Azoka Uzo OJ. Bye for now.